Today, we'll be discussing the best travel mugs for tea. These top 5 picks will ensure your tea stays at the perfect temperature while you're on the go, whether you're commuting, traveling, or just enjoying a day out. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number 1 on my list is the Hydro Flask stainless steel reusable mug priced at $20. This black 12-ounce fluid travel mug stands out for its vacuum insulation, which keeps your tea hot or cold for hours. Made from professional-grade stainless steel, it ensures no flavor transfer, so your tea tastes just the way it should. The mug is also non-toxic and free from harmful chemicals, providing peace of mind with every sip. One of its key features is the closable press and lid that helps prevent spills and keeps the temperature locked in. The soft touch exterior makes it comfortable to hold and provides a secure grip. Users love its long-lasting temperature retention and the fact that it is dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning a breeze. However, some reviews mention minor leaks if the mug is tipped and difficulty finding compatible lids. Despite these minor issues, the Hydro Flask is praised for its durability and convenience. It's a reliable choice for those who want a high-quality travel mug that performs well in various conditions. Second on the list is the Ello Jane ceramic travel mug, available for $13. This mug features an 18 fluid ounce capacity and a comfortable handle, making it perfect for tea lovers who appreciate the warmth and feel of ceramic. The mug is both microwave and dishwasher safe, which adds to its convenience. The splash-resistant slider lid helps prevent spills, although it is not completely leak-proof. The design is attractive, with a variety of color options to suit different tastes. Users appreciate the solid, heavy build of the mug and its ability to hold a generous amount of tea. However, some reviews note that it does not keep liquids hot as long as stainless steel mugs and can be quite heavy to carry. This mug is ideal for those who prefer ceramic over metal and need a microwave-safe option. Its design and practicality make it a popular choice despite some minor drawbacks related to installation and weight. Third on our list is another one from Ello, the Campy insulated travel mug priced at $17. This mug combines a charming vintage design with modern insulation technology. It holds 18 fluid ounces and is made from stainless steel, ensuring durability and effective temperature retention. The vacuum insulation keeps drinks hot for up to 5 hours and cold for up to 10 hours, making it a versatile option for tea and other beverages. The leak-proof slider lid and comfy carry handle add to its convenience, especially for commuters. Users love its retro look and the fact that it fits well in most car cup holders. However, some reviews mention issues with the lid fitting properly and the potential for mold building in the gasket if not cleaned thoroughly. Despite these concerns, the Ello Campy is praised for its effective insulation and stylish design, making it a great option for those who want both functionality and aesthetics. Next is the Simple Modern Travel Coffee Mug, which costs $17. This 12 fluid ounce stainless steel mug from the Voyager collection is sleek and practical. It features double wall insulation that keeps beverages hot for up to 4 hours and cold for up to 16 hours. The clear flip lid is leak-proof and can be positioned for left or right-hand use, adding to its versatility. The mug is lightweight and comes in a variety of vibrant colors. Users love how it keeps their drinks at the perfect temperature and a smooth drinking edge. However, some reviews note that it doesn't fit well in all car cup holders, which could be a drawback for frequent travelers. Despite this, the mug's ease of cleaning and overall performance make it a highly rated option. Its combination of style, functionality, and affordability makes it a favorite among many tea enthusiasts. Finally, we have the ARRADEN Tea Cup with Infuser, available for $19. This versatile 18 fluid ounce mug is perfect for tea lovers who enjoy brewing loose tea on the go. It includes 2 lids and a built-in infuser, making it easy to prepare and enjoy your favorite tea. Made from high-quality lead-free ceramic, it's safe for use in the microwave, oven, refrigerator, and dishwasher. The large capacity and comfortable handle make it ideal for extended use, whether at home or on the road. Reviews highlight its practicality and thoughtful design, though some users report issues with the travel lid not sealing tightly. Despite this, its comprehensive features and beautiful design make it a great gift for tea lovers. The ARRADEN mug offers a unique combination of functionality and aesthetics, ensuring a pleasant tea drinking experience. So, in conclusion, these travel mugs offer a range of features and prices to suit different preferences and needs. Whether you prefer the durability of stainless steel or the classic feel of ceramic, there's a perfect travel mug for every tea drinker on this list. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.